A product requirements document explains what a product should do and why it should exist, and one of its most important sections is defining the target audience and user personas. This part ensures the team clearly understands who the product is for before deciding features, designs, or technical solutions. Without a defined audience, teams risk building something impressive that no one actually needs. Defining the target audience in a product requirements document means identifying the broad group of users who are expected to use or benefit from the product. This includes factors such as age range, job role, industry, skill level, goals, and environment. The goal is not to describe everyone, but to narrow the focus to the people the product is intentionally designed to serve. A clear target audience helps align the entire product team around shared assumptions. Designers know what level of simplicity or complexity is appropriate, engineers understand performance and usability expectations, and stakeholders can evaluate whether features truly add value. When the audience is clearly defined, decision-making becomes faster and more consistent. Personas take the target audience definition one step further by turning abstract user groups into realistic, relatable individuals. A persona is a fictional profile that represents a typical user within the target audience. It usually includes a name, background, goals, frustrations, behaviors, and context of use. Including personas in a product requirements document helps teams think in human terms rather than technical ones. Instead of asking, "Should we build this feature?" the team asks, "Would this help Priya, our first-time user, complete her task faster?" This shift encourages empathy and keeps discussions focused on real user needs. Personas also help prevent feature overload. When every feature must clearly benefit one or more personas, unnecessary or low-value ideas are just easier to challenge. This supports lean product thinking by prioritizing what matters most to users, rather than building everything that is technically possible. A strong persona section in a product requirements document, it explains each persona's primary goals and the problems they're trying to solve. These insights usually come from user research, interviews, surveys, or maybe even market analysis. And even when the data is a bit limited, clearly stated assumptions allow teams to validate or adjust personas later on. Defining user pain points is especially important in personas. Pain points really help explain why users struggle today and what motivates them to look for a solution. By documenting these challenges in the product requirements document, teams can design features that directly address real frustrations instead of just guessing user behavior. Personas also clarify usage context, like how often the product is used, on which devices, and under what constraints. For example, a busy professional using a mobile app during short breaks has very different needs from an analyst using desktop software for hours. These details guide usability, performance, and feature depth. In a product requirements document, personas help connect business goals with user outcomes. When the target audience and personas are well defined, success metrics, feature priorities, and user stories naturally align with user value. This in turn ensures the product delivers both customer satisfaction and real business impact. Overall, defining the target audience and personas in a product requirements document creates a strong foundation for product success. It really keeps the team user-focused, reduces wasted effort, and improves collaboration across different roles. A product requirements document that clearly explains who the product is for just makes it so much easier to build the right product in the right way.